Hey there, fourth graders. Just wanted to send a quick little message to you, let you know that I miss you and I hope everything's going well. If you haven't heard, we are now out of school till April 30th, which is a huge bummer because I really miss seeing your smiling faces every day. I wish that we could be in class right now. Um, Hopefully, everything at your house is going well. You're taking care of yourself, being healthy, being kind to your siblings and your parents. Make sure you thank your parents through this time as they are making many, many sacrifices to make sure that you are able to continue learning and to be just being healthy people. If you need anything at all, just please reach out. I will be more than happy to try to help in any way that I can. Make sure that you are doing some reading, read books. Make sure that you are, if anything, working on like math facts or practicing some of those skills that you'd like that we've done. Really, ultimately, if you need to, you're looking for something to do, it is not required, but you can use the everyday math websites, those videos that we have. And I believe you can download your home links and all that. So that's out there. It's an option, not required. Um, I'll kind of keep this short here. Just once again, I really wish we were together. I can't wait to see all of you at the end of April here. Take care. And like I said, make sure you are being positive as you can and make sure that you are thanking your parents because they are huge right now in assuring that you're safe and learning. So, like I said, one more time, if you need something, please reach out.